I'm gonna do an unboxing and installing the Mobile Pixel Duet Pro, and they also have a trio. So this is a Duet Pro. So I saw somebody at the airport with one of these, and I thought it was pretty neat. So I purchased me one. And it took like 2 days from the date I purchased this to get to me. And if you want to purchase one, just look in the description below. So we're gonna open the box, and right on the box itself is instructions. And it's really, really simple to do. And then they give you some more instructions in this booklet right here. And if you can use this booklet, but it's pretty, watching this video, it'll show you how to install it. And they also include a $10 gift card from Amazon. I thought that was pretty cool. Like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below or the drop down. So we're going to take this out the box. And all this is a computer screen. And what comes with the computer screen, you got 12 of the metal plates. And what you also have, you have USB-C cable to C cable and C cable to A cable. So this is your C to A type, which is your USB. And you can use either one of them. You can use either one of these cables. So we're gonna move these plates out the way, and we're gonna slide it out of this protective cover. And on the back of this screen, you have 4 magnets. So what you're gonna do is take 4 of those plates and you're gonna put them on the magnets. And again, here's some more instructions. It's only 4 simple steps. And like I said, it's simple, really simple to do. So these are the magnets. So I'm gonna take 4 plates, round plates, and put them on top of the magnets. So that leaves me with 8 more left. I could use them later if these go bad or get torn off or anything. Once you put them on there, you want to peel the little paper cover off of it so it could stick to the back of your computer. And basically all this is double-sided tape. So this is the front of my computer. And what you want it to overlap to where these little screws are hanging on the outside. You don't want to cover up your screws. So I'm gonna lay this on, make sure it's parallel. And you can adjust it how you want. You see how it's overlapping on the right hand side? I got it overlapping, I say about an inch. I say about an inch. So if you take a tape measure and go about an inch, inch and a half, you'll be good. And I got mine on the right side of my computer. Most people put theirs on the right. You can also put it on the left. You just turn it upside down. So I got it there on the right and press it on it. Not too hard. It looks like I'm pressing hard, but I'm not. Then I'm gonna open it up. And that's it. That's all you really have to do to install that monitor on the back side of your computer. And I'm gonna just show you right here. You can just pull it right out, and you can move your screen. You can tilt it forward, or you could tilt it all the way back the other way. And that's why they say make sure those screws, you got it pulled out far enough so it would be able to tilt. See, we're gonna go ahead and tilt it back. So if somebody's on the back side and need to see it, there you go. You can tilt it back, you can lower it. So I thought that was pretty neat right there. So I've been using mine for a couple of weeks now, and this thing is awesome. You know, I just had a delay on getting this video together. I was doing a few things. And this thing is made out of plastic. It's not nothing strong, or it's pretty flimsy, but it'll do what I want it to do. I just need another screen so I could drag and drop. So now we're gonna plug it in. And you may have to download software, but I didn't. You can use this plug right here, the USB plug, or you can use the other plug, the type, I think it's a type C cable. So either one will work. So I'm gonna open my computer here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug my cable in. So I'm using a C cable. I'm using a USB-C cable. So it's C to C. They got the same connectors on each end. And when you click that in, make sure it clicks in. You hear it snap in. You just pull it out. And it took like maybe 10 seconds. Then the screen came on. You see that? I didn't have to download no software or anything. It just came on. So I'm gonna enter my password. You just notice that it's showing duplicate screens. So only thing you have to do is go to your settings, go down here to the bottom left and start typing display. And there at the top, you see duplicated or extended. Click on that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down here where I got mine's duplicate. I want mine's to, I'm gonna click on it. I want it to extend these displays. So now I can have something showing on one screen and something showing on the other screen. Let me show you here. See how I drag and I drop stuff right there? So I can look at two different spreadsheets, or I can watch two videos at the same time if I want to. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna just take something from a document right here and I'm gonna drag it and drop it onto the mini screen. So I'm gonna drag and I'm gonna drop. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, they got a trio, so you can have 3 screens displaying. And also, if you need to play YouTube videos, you need to play a couple of them at one time, which I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna just show you. See, now I can watch a video on this screen, and I can just take this one and drag it over on the other side and play a video. Holyfield. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.